Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an essential accessory for anyone relying on their Dymo LetraTag S0883990 100H label printer, the AC adapter replacement from Saskadros. If you've ever found yourself with a lost, damaged, or simply unreliable power supply for your trusty label maker, you know how frustrating it can be. This replacement unit aims to solve that problem with a robust and feature-rich solution. Right off the bat, one of the most impressive aspects of this power supply is its worldwide input voltage capability. We're talking about a range of 100-240 VAC at 5135 HC, which means whether you're at home or traveling internationally, this adapter is designed to work seamlessly. No more worrying about voltage converters or carrying multiple adapters. It's truly a global solution for your Dymo printer. Beyond its universal compatibility, the Saskadros adapter prioritizes safety, which is paramount when dealing with electronics. It comes equipped with OVP, OCP, and SCP protection. For those unfamiliar, OVP stands for Overvoltage Protection, ensuring your Dymo printer isn't damaged by excessive voltage. OCP, or Overcurrent Protection, safeguards against harmful current surges. And SCP, Short Circuit Protection, prevents damage in the event of a short circuit. These built-in protections offer significant peace of mind, knowing your valuable label printer is shielded from common electrical mishaps. The product description also highlights that these are tested units and are in great working condition, which speaks volumes about the quality control. It's not just a generic replacement, it's a high-quality, brand-new AC adapter charger that's been verified for performance. The connectivity technology is described as Powerline, and it features a male-to-female connector with a specific 78-pin type, ensuring a precise and secure fit for the Dymo LetraTag S0883990 100H label printer. This attention to detail means you can expect a reliable connection every time you plug it in. In essence, for Dymo LetraTag S0883990 100H users, this Saskadros AC adapter replacement isn't just a simple power cord. It's an upgrade in reliability and safety. It ensures your label printer is always ready for action, providing consistent power while protecting it from electrical fluctuations. If you're in need of a dependable power solution for your Dymo, this replacement adapter certainly stands out as a strong contender.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.